Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Ford Fiesta, stock number 6877. It's ran from the 5th 2013 to the 12th 2019. It is a WZ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a WZ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory mega tyre, right beam right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish, right front 15-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,